Hello, hello, bonjour, bonjour, it's JB, the dumbest car channel in all of YouTube. So I had the car repaired last week at my local garage. It was not very cheap, but not very expensive either. So what was done to my C230 Mercedes-Benz? Well, we changed the springs, left and right, left side and right side. I was supposed to get new shocks, but they were too expensive. I'm gonna wait to change those later. What else? We got the brake lines done under the car. Hope nobody's looking at me funny, because I'm speaking funny. Yeah, so brake lines, all 4 brake lines were done. Okay, I can't show you that because I have to crawl under the car. What else? What else? I'm trying to remember. My memory is failing me right now. Oh yeah, the new batteries in here. Let's open the hood. I'll show you. Oh, I cleaned the car last week. I washed it. I usually wash it once a week. Anyways, but I did a vacuuming. Look how clean it is. I don't know if you can see that. Clean interior. I cleaned the carpets, the seats, a vacuum. You're able to see the front passenger side a heck of a lot better. It's like about to rain, and it's like almost 8 o'clock at night. Well, it's not nighttime, it's dusk right now. So this is the job I did. I don't know if you can see that. It's better than before. I want to do a better job. I'll do a little bit more of cleaning this weekend, but it looks a lot better than before. There's no dust on my dashboard. I never have dust. I always wipe it down. Try to keep it as clean as possible. It would be nice to clean the door. Well, door jambs I clean, but here the hinges. A true detailer would keep all of this clean as well. So everything that's visible, you would keep it clean if you're a true detailing enthusiast, right? Which I'm sort of. So open the hood. I need to clean the engine bay. It's funny when I pull on the lever to open the hood. Let's check out the brake pedal moves. Look at that. You see that? It's hilarious. Awesome. You probably think I don't know how to open the hood. I'm too stupid. I don't know where to open the hood. I love this hood because it can go really high. Up to, let's go as far as it goes. Almost 90 degrees of deflection. I need a engine bay detailing. It's a bit dusty. It's not that bad. It's not clean, but it's not super disgusting or super dirty. The battery resides under this module. This is the blower motor for the AC, for the HVAC. So I would have to remove this to show you my new battery. Did they really change it? I don't know. I'll have to... Somebody just walked by. I have to remove this to check to make sure they actually put the battery that I bought from Walmart. What else was done? This is where you jump your car, you see. The plus, you put the plus here, and you put the negative on this post here. Negative and the positive if you need to jump the car. So awesome. What else? So the brake lines were changed. This had to be flushed, so it has to have new fluid. Trying to check the level. Did they fill this up to the level? Yeah, I think they did. I can't. It's supposed to be over here. The markings here. Looks like it's okay. What else? The oil. I haven't changed it. I'm going to change it in the fall because I haven't driven enough kilometers. Let's pull the dipstick. Although I don't have a rag to clean it with. Now here's the dipstick. The color of the oil looks okay. You have to check the marking here for the level. I can't quite do that as I need a rag to clean it. And then put it back and then pull it out again and check the oil level. I think it's 5W30 or 0W20 that goes in there. Synthetic German oil, a liquid moly. let's bring this down. Oh, the correct way to close your hood. I don't know. Let's just take it easy. I'm not a real stickler on how to. Oh no, I have fingers on my hood. I have to clean that now. Anyways, those were the items that had to be done, had to be replaced. In the Murcielago, in my Murcielago, in my C230. So let's go home, brothers and sisters. Oh, how is the economy? Shit, it's in the shitters. Real crappy. Terrible. I'm not an economist, but the shit is hitting the fan, bro. You better go out there and buy some silver and some gold. I urge you right now, because the shit is flying into the fan. Unfortunately, lots of trouble going on, lots of trouble coming. So yeah, I don't want to get into it because I can't. My brain's not that intelligent, but anyways, man, things are fucked up out there. So I urge you to get some silver and some gold. It's like World War II all over again, becoming World War III. I mean, always in desperate times. Not desperate times, but it's, you never know, you know. Just prepare yourself for the worst. And the worst probably won't happen. But just get prepared. That's all I have to say. Everything's fucked up, so too many mortgages out there not being paid, banks failing, on and on and on. Anyways, this is gonna be a very long video. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day. Bye bye.